Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, as you can see, I'm going to be showing you another awesome way to achieve a natural curl to easily blend a hidden crown hair extension in with your natural curl that mimics this type of wave pattern. So shout out to our very own Dana for showing me this really cool wave tool that I got at a local drugstore. It's very affordable, and details will be down below on this product. It's really easy to use, and as you can see, I've already started this extension and I have all this like major lion mane hair right now. So this current extension I'm wearing right now is our 22-inch layers extension in color number 882. And this extension here is our Hidden Crown Layers 18-inch that I'm going to show you how to use this wave curling iron on in these last few sections that I haven't curled. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like to have like massive mermaid hair with both the 18-inch layers on with the 22-inch layers on. And then if you're somebody that has shorter, thicker hair that has like a really heavy blunt line, or you're not able to achieve the look with just one halo style extension, I'm going to also show you how to get this look with a crown topper over the layers extension, so that you can kind of see how to achieve a naturally curly look with any of our extensions and the combination options that you have too. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, so with this tool you can actually clamp it like this, or you can clamp it, I don't even know if this is backwards or forwards, or you can turn it around like this. And it basically just gives you a slight bit of a different bend at the top, which for the halo style extension doesn't quite matter because that part is hidden. Now you do need to take a little bit of a less thick of a volume section when doing this because of the way that this iron is set up to take the hair in it. So you don't want to take a whole section like you would using a clamp curling iron. You want to take somewhat of a thinner section. So right here I have about 2 to 3 wefts, like the first 2 to 3 wefts from the top in this section. And then as you can see underneath, I did the underneath section earlier. Look how pretty that is. And then I just leave it alone. And then I'm just going to do that again, and you can even just switch it up, turn it over every other section, and then you get more of a more natural effect with the different type of wave. Okay, you guys, it's really important for you to know this option, because if you're someone who has a little more of a difficult time blending your extension in, or you have a blunt haircut such as mine, where when you wear just one extension, it's really noticeable. It's much harder to blend your hair in with it. And so stacking a second one over will help you blend in that blunt haircut much faster, much easier. You don't have to really do much work at all to get it to blend. All right, you guys, and see how much easier my blunt haircut blends in seamlessly with the 2 extensions on together. All right, you guys, so now I want to show you another option for any of you that has much shorter hair that can't wear just a halo style extension by itself. I wanted to show you the crown topper curled with the wave curling iron too, so that you can see what it would look like with the natural curl mimicked with a crown topper. Now I kept just the 18-inch Hidden Crown Layers color number 882 on, and this is the crown topper color number 882 rooted. So let's get started. All right, you guys, so there it is. That's how easy it is to achieve a natural curl that mimics this pattern of wave and curl. I absolutely love it. I am excited to do this on my own because I don't have naturally curly hair, so to be able to easily achieve this on myself this quickly is exciting because it's a new option for me. And so definitely try this out, you guys, and send us your photos. We love seeing your photos on social media, and tag us, Hidden Crown Hair. Info's down below. We hope you found this video to be very helpful and it answered all your questions. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to email us at accounts@hiddencrown.com and we'd be happy to assist you further. And also make sure to follow us on all of our social media platforms down below to stay in the know on everything Hidden Crown. And make sure to check out these videos that relate to the video you just watched.